Attention! You're about to unlock the secret to success, and it's just one step away. One decision, one extra rep, one more hour of effort. Most people quit when it gets tough, but not you. You're built different. Success isn't about luck. It's about consistency. The small things you do every day shape your future. So when you feel tired, remember why you started. When doubt creeps in, push harder. The difference between winners and everyone else? Winners keep going when it's hard. So take that step, make that move. Your future self is counting on you. Now go crush it.